Why choose Simple Mining? Simple Mining is here to help you mine Bitcoin profitably and effortlessly. Here are some ways we accomplish this. We host client machines in Iowa. Iowa is a strategic mining location due to its low power costs, low natural disaster rate, accessible clean energy, and cool summer temperatures. Simple Mining also offers a suite of operational perks. Here are 7 of them. We do not lock clients in long-term contracts. We have a 12-month contract with the option to renew. Our energy rates are transparent. We have not increased our hosting rates since our inception. In case of a rate increase, we give clients a 30-day notice with the option to terminate hosting with no penalty. You can take a break when needed. Clients may pause machines anytime and will not be billed during this period. This is helpful when you do not want to run your equipment in unprofitable conditions. You can opt into a pause period until your miners become profitable again. Our marketplace allows clients to resell their hosted miners anytime. Need to sell your equipment? We've got you covered. We use precision billing, so you only pay for what you hash. We align our incentives with our clients, so any downtime is credited back to you. The Bitcoin network is active 24/7, 365, so our sites are staffed around the clock. This allows 98% of on-site issues to be resolved within 24 to 48 hours. We have an in-house team of ASIC repair technicians to ensure clients' machines get fixed ASAP and eliminate downtime shipping to outside repair facilities. We also offer free repairs on all units purchased through Simple Mining for the first 12 months. This includes new, used, and out-of-warranty units. After 12 months, clients can opt into an affordable protection plan that covers all repairs. Simple Mining exists to make Bitcoin mining simple and accessible for everyone. To learn more about what we offer, visit simplemining.io.